Hello! Thank you for visiting my channel. Today's recipe is a Christmas dish, Panfried Duck with a ginger glaze and a sweet soy sauce on a bed of cherry puree. It's pretty easy, so would you like to make something special for your family this Christmas? That's what you need for the cherry puree. First, preheat the oven 180 degrees. Let's start. Slice half of onion, rough it fine. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Turn the heat to mid, then add the onion and stir. Next, add half teaspoon of minced garlic, quarter teaspoon of allspice and a quarter teaspoon of thyme and stir well. Check the heat. I would turn the heat down to between mid and low. Add 140 grams of frozen pitted cherries, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey. Check the heat. If you need to turn it down to low, do so. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Stir well. Turn the heat off. Pour it all into a jug and blend well. You can use a hand mixer or blender. Pour the cherry puree into a bowl and set it aside. Next step, that's what you need. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the skin, then turn the duck over and do the same. One tablespoon of olive oil in a fry pan. Turn the heat to mid. Put the duck skin side down and cook until beautiful golden color. Using kitchen paper, remove excess oil. Once the skin is golden, turn the duck over and if you need to remove excess oil. Turn off the heat and put the duck on a tray with baking paper. Bake the duck in the oven for 10 minutes. You don't have to wash the fry pan yet. Turn the heat to mid and melt 20 grams of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of glazed ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. After 10 minutes, remove the duck from the oven and put it back into the fry pan. Coat the duck with the sauce, turning it over to ensure you coat both sides. Turn the heat off and slice the duck. Place the cherry puree on a plate. Put the sliced duck on top and dress with the ginger glaze, Japanese style glaze and a beautiful red cherry puree. If you like this video, please consider click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.